Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use photo cartoon editor that you can download through the Play Store. So as you can see, I have opened up my Google Play Store, and in here you have to search photo cartoon, and here on the third, here it is on the third one, photo cartoon editor. So as you can see, photo cartoon editor is one of the most impressive free camera applications. Apply cool and artistic effects to new or existing photos, so you can transform your photos to cartoons, sketches, oil paintings, pencil drawings, and a lot more. So let's take a look at the example photos in here. So as you can see, it is now transformed to cartoon, so it's now cartoon photo there. So these are the examples. Alright, let's install it. So I have done installing it, and here it is. So this is the interface. So you have the option to choose among the three in here: photos, camera, video. Photos is where you can make your photos into Cartoonize. So photos is where you can make your photos into cartoons, sketches, oil paintings, pencil drawings, and more. So let's try that first. So here I have three pictures, so let's just choose Jackie Chan. So you have the option in here. So this one here is where you can choose the options. So let's just try lively there. So the effects will be applied right away, so you will see the difference in each of these options. So if you want this, then just save it, tap this one here, the save button, and this one here is the if you want to rotate it, okay, just like that. So this one is where you can share it to your Facebook, to your drive. Let me just cancel it. And this one here is the settings. I suggest that you leave the default settings in here, and you can choose the options that you can see in here. You have the option to do that by tapping it like this. So there. So if you want to see the original photo, just tap it twice, okay, just like that. And this one there, let's check all the options in here, all the filters. Okay, scribble, oil, canvas, gray, paint, old timer, Frappa. So Frappa is good. Next is try tune. Tune is also good as well. There you have the option. So this is a pro version, by the way. That's the reason why you're seeing a lot of options in here, and it doesn't have any ads. So that's an advantage of buying the app. You will not see any ads floating around. So once you have done selecting the filter that you want to use, then just hit this download button there, and it will automatically save to your gallery. So let's go back and try the camera. So camera, you can cartoonize everything. So as you can see, my computer there, you can let's focus on this scissor. Okay, let's apply the effects. Okay, that's how easy it is to apply the effects. You just have to tap it like this, and the changes will applied right away. So there, comics and sketch, stump, Ringo, sweet. Let's try oil, canvas, paint, Frappa, tune. Okay, tune is also good as well. Let's try loot. Okay, color pencil, pop, a story, and a hatch. You use SA. Let's try that. This one here, gradient. So it's up to you. So once you have done choosing the filter for your camera, then just record it. Just by, if you want to have a screenshot, then just press this or tap this. There, it will automatically save on your gallery. This one it again, just like that, and there the video has been saved to your gallery. This one here is the settings as well, if you want to change it. I prefer not to change that. And this one here is where you can make a selfie of yourself if you want to. So this one here at the top is where you can see the results of your recordings. So you can play it on your video player. I'm not going to do that. Let's just skip that part. And here at the top right portion is where you can share it. There, share button. Let's just cancel it and go back. The third option is the video. So as you can see, I have Cartoonize one video. So let's try this one here. Okay, there. So you have the option to change the video. Okay, let's try this one. If you want this, then try to play it by you can, if you want to play the video, if you want to apply this filter reach, then just play the video by pressing this one there. So it's playing and the filter has been applied. And to stop it, just tap it again. Are you sure what to cancel? Yes or no? Yes, just said no, and there. So it's saved in our gallery. So that's how you apply the effects. This one here is you want to watch the result of the video or the effects that you have applied. So same thing, share button and the settings. So let's try, okay, this one, play it again. There, the changes has been, and stop. Yes, there. Let's try other effects here. Let's go scroll down. Let's scroll horizontally to look for the best filter. This one, story, hatch, USA. Let's try story. Play. There, effects has been applied, and then stop. Are you sure? Yes. So that's how easy it is to use this application. And in here at the top right portion, you see this this tool. If you tap that, you will see this information. Filters you have applied to your pictures or videos will be saved on your SD card, pictures, cartoon photo. And then image resolution, so you can see the highest is 2160p. If you enable it, then you will get the highest resolution. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. So again, that's how easy it is to use this application. You have the option to choose the photo, existing photo, and apply filter. You have the option to use the camera as well and apply the filter. And lastly, video. You can have your video play and apply the effects real time. So before we wrap up again, the features available for the pro versions: apply cartoon effects to the photos in your gallery, which what we did earlier. Apply real-time effects and take photos with your camera like this. and you can use back and front camera of your phone, by the way. So you can even zoom in if you want to. Let's try that. I forgot to try that. So let's zoom in there. As you can see, we can zoom in. You can choose many impressive effects here horizontally there, and then save images or take photos quickly by a single touch of a button. You can also share your photos with your friends through your social media, Facebook, Twitter, and many different cartoon effects like for example sketch, oil painting, thermal vision, crosshatch, and many more. So again, that's how easy it is to use this application. It's a really fun and easy way to apply filter or cartoonize your photos, videos. So that's how easy it is, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.